Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to activate live streaming on YouTube. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do here is to press on over to the top right of our screen and click on Create button. After that, click on Go Live. After pressing that, what will happen or what we need to do here is that we need to get the key, the streaming key from YouTube, which is this one, copy it and paste it on our OBS for us to go live. So to do it, simply press on copy, click on OBS, open it, go to the top left of OBS, which is file, settings, go to stream, make sure that YouTube is selected, which is this one. And then what we need to do here is to use a stream key and simply copy paste or paste the stream key that we just copied from YouTube. And now press apply, then OK. And what we need to do here is to simply press on start streaming. But before we do that, you can edit all of the details here on your stream that you're going to do. Let's say the title, the category, the privacy, and many more. So now, since we've pasted the stream key from YouTube to our OBS, what we can simply start now, or what we can simply do, is to simply click on start streaming. And now we are currently live. So as you can see here, we are currently live. And for you to check if ever you are live, what we need to do, or what you need to do, is to simply go open, let's say, an incognito account or an incognito tab, and then let's search up that current or our channel, and as you can see here, we are live. Up that current or our channel, and as you can see here, and that's how you activate or go live streaming on YouTube. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.